Hello everyone. So for today I kind of just want to make plain old pockets. Not exactly sure what I'm doing here, but that's okay. Sometimes you don't. It's okay to not know what project you're getting yourself into. I know basically what I want to do, but again, I'm just going to have fun with this. I'm not going to play with this too much. It's going to be very basic. Okay, we got that going. Move one of these out of the way, the long one. All right. Just make it a little bit shorter. And let's just make a double pocket out of this. Okay. Nail person's here earlier than normal. Oh, I still have these. I want to use these up because, yeah, I haven't done that. There we go. Now I'm cutting this as straight as I can because I'm going to put this on here. There we go. Got that going. Now I can do a little bit of decorating on it. I was thinking something like this. Be nice and easy to just slip on here. Grab my art glitter glue, or not my art glitter glue, my Fabri-Tac. And we'll glue this down on here. There we go. Right there. And I think this across here would be just fine. And dandy. there we go, we got that going. Now, what else do I want to do with this? I don't know, so I'm going to leave it plain, I think, and just make some vocal points later. So we're just going to glue this down, and voila, we got our double pocket. And it'll fit right into a journal. This be a pocket and this be a pocket. So we got one done. Now I'm again gonna just cut off these edges a little bit here. And here. And I think I'm going to do that same aspect, so I'm going to just fold this up. I'm going to fix this a little bit because it's a little uneven. And there we go. And again, I'm just gonna glue some of this 6x6 paper that I have onto here. Try to cut it as straight as possible down the middle here, or off to the side here, I should say. And then we'll glue this piece on. And there we go. This one's pretty much done. Now we could choose to do something like this, but if you want it to be aligned with this other one, I recommend just keeping it hooped like this. Come up with where you want it punched and punch it together so then it's lined up. And then you glue this on. But I think with this one I kind of want, yeah, definitely. Want to distress this one. Just to give it a little bit of a, you can tell where it is at. Just like the other one, we want that to be known. And then I glue the sides, and voila, we got another one. Now again, I might decide I want a vocal point, but right now I think I want to keep these rather plain. I know, that's weird. Why are you making these? Why not? I'm normally not too particular about what I make, but sometimes just does not want to, yeah. Sometimes there are situations like this. I'm just gonna dump that one and start off anew. Very much straighter. And this is the last one I kind of just want to use up, but it is a bit of a thicker paper, so I am going to use glue, or glitter glue, for this. Alright, and then we're going to glue on this piece. And again, this is just a simple old book page, double pocket, and some 6x6 paper that I bought a 6x6 paper scrap bundle this past year, and I just want to use it. I don't want to keep on saying I'm going to use stuff and then not use it. So there we go. Yeah, I could have used some Distress ink, but that's okay. Didn't do it. It happens. So we got 3 of them done. I think this one is going to be my template though. So then the next time I decide I want to make a double pocket from a page, it's just in my templates, ready to go. So this is how I go about on a lot of my tutorials and stuff like that. I'll sit down at my area here and decide what I want to do, and I normally always make a template so then I can go back and look at it and come up with new ideas. So here's our template, and then these 2 are going to go in the done pile. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Have a great day or night. Bye.